Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and opening camera. Make sure battery and storage are sufficient because live captures need space. Next, enable live photos by tapping the concentric circles icon. Live mode stays on until you switch it. Once done, set image quality in settings so you know file sizes and compatibility. Choose HEIF/HEVC for efficiency versus JPEG for broader sharing. Position your subject, steady the device, and get ready to capture motion and audio in the next step. You frame your shot with the intent to capture motion. Compose, then hold steady for at least half a second to let autofocus settle. Tap the shutter once. Live photos records roughly 1.5 seconds before and after the exposure, so anticipate movement. If lighting or focus will shift, lock AE/AF to avoid sudden changes. Swipe up for exposure compensation when needed. Make sure you avoid sudden camera movement. Smooth gestures preserve the intended motion and sound. You review the live photo immediately by opening it in Photos. Press and hold to play. Once done, tap Edit to trim the start/end and pick a key photo frame for the still image. This makes sharing cleaner. Use effects like loop or bounce to create motion loops or long exposure for blurred movement. If playback stops working, make sure Live is still enabled, free up storage, or restart the camera app. These steps fix most issues and restore normal live behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.